Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.27%. This equates to an average return of 0.31% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $657.14 be breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early signal of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 22.5% over the forthcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 20.48% and 37.20%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reflects a projected change of 37.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from 17.56% to 52.47% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $785.44 and $1,018.71. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price down 2.26% on Monday. The Meta stock price fell by 2.26% on the last day, Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, from $683.55 to $668.13. It has now declined for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.73%, with a day low of $662.55 and a day high of $687.27. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a 6.55% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 66,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, 16 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $10.41 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, and the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 9.82%, or $72.76, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today's focus is on Meta Platforms, which has recently made headlines with significant developments that could influence its stock price both in the short and long term. Steve Weiss of Short Hills Capital Partners recently trimmed his holdings in Meta during his discussion on CNBC, which may signal cautious sentiment among investors regarding the stock's current valuation. This adjustment might lead to short-term volatility as market participants react to shifts in institutional sentiment. Moreover, Meta's decision to phase out third-party fact-checkers in the United States while incentivizing viral content through a creator bonus program raises concerns about misinformation management. This could impact user engagement and advertiser perception, potentially dragging on long-term brand reputation and revenue growth. In another note, the company is facing penalties for anti-competitive practices related to South African news media, which could have financial ramifications and regulatory scrutiny influencing investor confidence in the company's governance. On a more positive note, the launch of a $50 million Meta Horizon Creator Fund aims to stimulate innovation in the metaverse, but will take time to translate into measurable financial success. Additionally, as artificial intelligence continues to reshape the tech landscape, Meta's involvement in integrating these technologies positions the company for potential growth. which could attract long-term investors seeking exposure to future tech advancements. These mixed signals suggest that while Meta's stock may face pressure in the short term, advancements in technology and strategic initiatives could provide catalysts for recovery and growth in the future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigress Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Scotiabank categorized Meta as sector perform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, BMO Capital rated Meta as market perform while also issuing a hold recommendation. Additionally, Cowen & Company gave Meta a buy rating with a hold recommendation on that day. Lastly, UBS also rated Meta as buy with a hold recommendation reported on that same Thursday. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is classified as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 9.3%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Meta stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $704.56. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $664.60. A breakout through the short-term average will issue a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 56 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 139 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 132 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $659.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $24.72 between its high and low, which translates to a 3.73% change. In the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.91%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $687. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $659.88. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 48,847 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 22.241. In total, insiders purchased 150,878 shares and sold 237,993 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $632.85, reflecting a decrease of 5.28%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated due to a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Currently, several signals and indicators suggest a negative outlook, which may impact development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we believe that today's price level presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that it will increase over the next 3 months. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 25th, we anticipate Meta will open at $4.52 and begin trading at $672.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.